السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 13 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn Mushaddadah letters. Before starting our lesson, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson we will learn what is Tashdeed, what is the Mushaddad letter, what is Mutaharrik letter, and how do we pronounce the Mushaddad letters in an Arabic accent. We will learn all these things with example in this lesson. What is Tashdeed? The W shape sign, this sign is called Tashdeed. The W shape sign is called Tashdeed. What is the Mushaddad letter? A letter which has W shape sign. A letter which has this W shape sign on it, that letter is called Mushaddad letter. Any letter which has this W sign, this W shaped sign on it is called Mushaddad letter, and this sign always placed above the letter or top of the letter or on the letter. What is Mutaharrik letter? Any letter which has any harkat like Zabar, Zir or Pesh on it or below it, that letter is called Mutaharrik letter. Any letter which has any harkat from these three harkat, that letter is called Mutaharrik letter. If any letter which has Zabar or Zir or Pesh, that letter is called Mutaharrik letter. How do we pronounce the Mushaddad letters in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the Mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the Mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. How do we pronounce the Mushaddad letter in an Arabic accent? We pronounce the Mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the Mutaharrik letter coming before it, and then by its own harkat with a slight pause, holding down slightly. Let's see the example of Mushaddad letter. This is the Mushaddad letter because it has W shape sign on it. This is also the Mushaddad letter, and this is also the Mushaddad letter. And this is Mutaharrik letter because it has Zabar on it. This is Hamza. This is Mutaharrik letter because it has Zir below it. This is Hamza, Mutaharrik letter because it has Harkat Pesh on it. How do we pronounce The Mushaddad letter Ra. In an Arabic accent, we pronounce this Mushaddad letter twice. First, by joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it. This mutaharrik letter is coming before it. And secondly, this Mushaddad letter will be pronounced according to its own harkat. This Mushaddad letter also has harkat on it and it has zabar on it. Therefore, this Mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice. How do we pronounce? Let's spell. Hamza Ra Zabar Al, Ra Zabar Ra, Al Ra, Hamza Ra Ze Ir, Ra Zabar Ra, Ir Ra, Hamza Ra Pesh Ur, Ra Zabar Ra, Ur Ra, Al-Ra, Il-Ra, Ur-Ra. This Mushaddad letter will be pronounced twice. First, joining it with the mutaharrik letter coming before it, and secondly, according to its own harkat. This Mushaddad letter has harkat zabar on it. This Mushaddad letter also has harkat zabar on it. This Mushaddad letter also has harkat zabar on it. We pronounce Mushaddad letter twice in an Arabic accent. Allah, Irra, Urra. Ra will be pronounced twice. Thanks for watching. Kindly share this video and leave your comment and visit our website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.